Kia Ceed III models from 2018 onward come standard with automatic headlights. These lights use a sensor to detect low ambient light conditions, such as during dusk or in tunnels, and automatically activate your headlights, low beams, and taillights. This enhances safety by improving visibility without requiring manual intervention from the driver. The system is designed to reduce driver distraction and improve road safety, aligning with automotive lighting standards. Auto lights are enabled by default on these vehicles. The ambient light sensor is typically located on the windshield, near the rearview mirror. This small sensor detects changes in ambient light levels to automatically control the headlights. For the sensor to work properly, ensure the windshield area around it remains clean. Dirt, dust, or obstructions can block light detection, causing the auto lights to malfunction. Regular cleaning of this area is recommended. To enable or disable this feature, start your Kia Ceed III. On the instrument cluster display or touchscreen in higher trims, look for a setup or gear icon. Press this icon to access the vehicle settings menu. The exact name or location of the menu may vary slightly based on your vehicle's trim and software version. Within the settings menu, navigate to Vehicle or Lights. These sections contain various lighting options, including the auto light settings. Use the menu controls, such as buttons or touchscreen, to scroll through the available options until you find the relevant setting. The wording may be auto light, headlight auto on-off, or something similar. Once you've found the auto light setting, you'll see options to toggle the feature on or off. The light sensor detects ambient conditions to trigger activation. Select On to enable automatic headlight activation based on the sensor and wiring system. Select Off to disable the feature and rely solely on manual headlight control. The system may require a moment to register the change, so allow a few seconds before testing. Keep in mind that auto lights have limitations. They might not activate in situations like short tunnels or under heavy shade if the light sensor threshold isn't met. In these cases, manual override might be necessary. Always be aware of your surroundings and manually control your headlights if needed to ensure optimal visibility. If your auto lights aren't working as expected, first ensure the light sensor is clean. The ambient light sensor on the windshield can get dirty, affecting its ability to detect low light conditions. If problems persist, a software update might be needed. Kia provides over-the-air updates that can improve sensor accuracy and fix calibration issues. Contact a certified Kia service center for diagnostics and updates, especially if you suspect a sensor malfunction. They can perform thorough checks and apply necessary fixes. Check online Kia forums like kiaforum.co.uk for shared experiences and potential solutions. Other owners may have encountered similar issues and found fixes. Automotive lighting is evolving towards more intelligent systems. Kia plans to integrate auto lights with ADAS for features like automatic high beam control and pedestrian detection. Future trends include AI-enhanced systems that predict lighting needs based on GPS data and V2I communication for optimized visibility within smart cities. The future of auto lighting is bright and connected.